I was really lucky to be invited along by Princess Cruises to Arctic Quest. It's a dog sledding team led by the incredible Vicky Pullen, who is European, British champion and an elite husky and hound dog sled racer. This was a corporate event organised by Princess Cruises for some of the online bloggers, and it was all to showcase the 2024 season for Alaska, where Princess Cruises will be celebrating 55 years cruising this area. So in order to get a flavour of Alaska, we were treated to dog sledding rides while Vicky was training her beautiful hounds and huskies. She has 33 dogs and another litter on the way, and the dogs are absolutely beautiful. We did have the opportunity to ride solo with the bicycle that you just saw in the video, but the speeds that these dogs can get up to, we all felt safer just to sit on the back of her quad bike as a passenger. So Princess actually have a day where they bring husky puppies on board ship so you can meet the puppies in the piazza. How cute is that? So Vicky Pullen actually lived in Alaska for quite some time, which is where she got introduced to husky and dog sledding, and she used to go fishing and catch her own salmon and halibut. And actually Princess Cruises offered this facility as one of their tours. You can cook your catch, so if you catch some salmon or halibut, you can cook your catch with the onboard chef's team and enjoy that for your meal on board ship. To replicate that in Tewksbury, not Alaska, Vicky bought a selection of filleted trout so we could cook our own trout on the barbecue along with a really nice beef and a vegetarian stew just to warm us up, because it's actually quite a cold day even though it was very sunny. And then what's more to enjoy after nice barbecue but the s'mores with the marshmallows, so really nice day out. Vicky was really glad for us to be really hands-on with the dogs. We could help her put them into the harnesses or take them off the quad bike and put them onto their leads. Each dog only did a couple of runs, so we had quite a lot of dogs on site for the day. And this is me having my go with the dog team pulling us along. Vicky is literally driving at the speeds of the dog, but she does use the quad for training purposes, and so they don't actually run too fast. It's made me really tempted to now look at Alaska Cruises, whether you can do a 7-night cruise into Glacier Bay, which only a few cruise lines can offer that facility, Princess being one of them, and you can then add a 7-night stay in one of their lodges. You get there by one of the glass roof trains also owned by Princess Cruises. So the ideal package for the combined cruise and stay option. So that was my day out with these gorgeous dogs. Really enjoyed spending time with Vicky and thank her very much for her hospitality, and really enjoyed this event with Princess Cruises. Bye for now.